My mom gave us some New Year's socks, and yesterday I bought some New Year's underpants. So I am ready for Chinese New Year. So as you can see, things are a madhouse right now. We're trying to get all the food made. Yeah.
Can you go get a Coke for me?
Oh, sure. I gotta ask, does everyone's pantry look like this for Chinese New Year? There is a massive amount of food and drinks in here. I have no idea how I'm gonna find this Coke. Let's see. Coke. I had to bring Baba in here to help me find the Coke. And we finally found it. And my wife is making her famous Coca-Cola chicken. What is this dough for? Is this for the dumplings?
做饺子，
饺子.
晚上吃饺子，
Ah.
晚上吃饺子，
Wow.
两年的饭。
And I can tell you that this dough is today fresh because Mama made this today.
干啥呢？
Okay.
10个。
Sugar. Okay. Joe. Sure. I think I got him a little bit too close. That was so great. He put the candied yams into the sugary sauce, and then he started flipping it up like this, making it look fantastic on film. And now, look at the finished product. I heard that there was some food being made outside as well, so I'm going outside to investigate.
Wow.
That looks delicious. It smells so good. It looks like chicken. I can see a chicken foot in there. Look, there's another one. Oh, fish. I didn't really feel super hungry until the last 30 minutes or so. It smells like a 5-star restaurant in this house right now. It smells amazing. Wow.
开喝。来，干杯！Cheers，干杯！